English speaking course.
Hello, everyone. Are you ready for our new practice today? First, we're going to begin with the listening part in 5 minutes. Then I'm going to show you some useful vocabulary about our topic today. After that, you'll have 7 minutes for speaking. And we'll wrap up with a small practice session at the end of the video. Well, we're going to start off by listening to a conversation now. What are you doing?
I just relax after studying at school.
I told you to clean your room after school, but you always watch TV and do nothing.
But my room was clean this morning.
It's very messy, you know.
Dad, I have cleaned it.
People always say you take after me, both in appearance and personality, but why don't you have the same cleanliness as me?
Alice, let's brush our teeth before going to bed. Yes, Mom. Oh, why didn't Dad brush his teeth with us today? I don't like it. Is there anything that happened between you and Dad? Nothing, Mom. I'm done. Good night. Okay, good night. Honey, what's up with you and Alice?
As Alice told you.
Oh, but I see something strange. I was taken aback after seeing her attitude. I think something happened.
What is that?
She changed the arrangement of our toothbrushes after brushing her teeth.
How?
Well, today she took your brushes away, spinning the other two together.
So did she take it out on my toothbrush?
I don't know. What happened?
This afternoon, I scolded her for watching too much TV. In the evening, I asked her to brush her teeth together, and she said no.
Okay, I got it. So she is sulking.
Oh, no.
I will talk with her tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Alice, are you sulking about Dad? No, Mom. Dad has told me a bit. Can you take me through the story? Dad always said I just watch TV and do nothing while I clean my room already. He even told me that I don't take after him. I got it. I feel like he wants to take over me. He wants me to do what he wants. Really? So did you take it out on his toothbrush yesterday? Did you know? I saw that. Yes, Mom. I've taken in your story. So are you going to stay mad at him? I don't know. I will take him aside. Honey, I think you should solve this situation as soon as possible.
Let me take up this issue with her.
How?
I will say sorry to her and hope she'll forgive me. Alice, can you take a seat to talk with me?
Yes?
Mom has taken me aside, and I understand what I have done to hurt you.
Dad.
Can I take back all the things I said to you yesterday?
I am also sorry. I didn't listen to you. From tomorrow, I will clean my room and watch less TV.
Thanks. That's great, my girl. And thank you, Mom. She took it upon herself to reconcile us.
From now on, I will take on the peace in our home. Is that okay?
Of course.
So, can I change the arrangement of our toothbrushes in the bathroom? I will do it, Mom. That's great.
I have a day off today. It's been quite a long time since we've taken you out.
Great idea. I love that. Me too. Where will we go?
Where do you want to go?
How about the zoo, Dad?
Sure, as long as you like it.
And then we will have lunch at the restaurant.
That's our dialogue for today. Now it's time for today's vocabulary. Let's sit back and then see what new words we've got here. To make it easier to understand, you will see a picture coming with each word or phrase.
Take after means to be similar to an older member of your family in appearance or character.
People always say you take after me both in appearance and personality, but why don't you have the same cleanliness as me?
Messy means untidy, not clean.
It's very messy, you know.
To scold is to rebuke or nag angrily.
This afternoon, I scolded her for watching too much TV.
To brush one's teeth is to clean one's teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste.
In the evening, I asked her to brush her teeth together and she said no.
To sulk means refuse to smile or be pleasant to someone. Okay, I got it. So she is sulking. To take through refers to the act of explanation. Dad has told me a bit. Can you take me through the story? To reconcile means restore friendship or harmony.
She took it upon herself to reconcile us.
To take out on is to unleash anger on one another than the actual one that caused it. Really? So did you take it out on his toothbrush yesterday? To take back means to return something you have. In this case, if you take back something you've said, you admit that it was wrong.
Can I take back all the things I said to you yesterday? Now it's time for your speaking skill. We're going to look back at several scenes of the conversation. Each one comes with a series of questions, and you'll answer them.
Who did say Alice doesn't take after? Mr. Alex, what does Alice do after studying? She watches TV. Why does Mr. Alex say Alice doesn't take after? Because her room is messy, and she only watches. When does Alice watch TV, according to Mr. Alex? After studying. Where does Alice study? At school. All right, then we will have a full sentence like this. Mr. Alex said Alice doesn't take after him because her room is messy and she only watches TV after studying at school. Who scolded Alice this afternoon? Her dad. What is Alice doing? Alice is sulking. When did Alice's dad scold her? This afternoon. Where did it happen? At home. Why is Alice sulking? Because her dad scolded her this afternoon at home. Alice is sulking because her dad scolded her this afternoon at home. Who took it out on the toothbrush? Alice. What did Alice do with her dad's toothbrush? She took it out on her dad's toothbrush. When does Alice feel like her dad took over her? This afternoon. Where did Alice take it out on her dad's toothbrush? In the bathroom. Why did Alice take it out on her dad's toothbrush? because she feels like her dad took over her this afternoon. Alice took it out on her dad's toothbrush in the bathroom because she feels like her dad took over her this afternoon. Who will have lunch with Alice? Her dad. What did Alice do with her dad? Alice will have lunch at the restaurant after going to the zoo with her dad. When will Alice have lunch at the restaurant? After going to the zoo with her dad. Where will Alice have lunch with her dad? At the restaurant. Why does Alice's dad want to take her out? Because it's been a long time since he's taken her out. Alice will have lunch at the restaurant after going to the zoo with her dad because it's been a long time since he's taken her out.
Let's keep moving with the next part. Now we're going to practice with some questions over here.
Number 1, fill in the blank. Alice's mom was blank after seeing her attitude. A, taken aback. B, taken aside. C, taken away. The correct answer is A, taken aback. Number 2, true or false? Alice's dad scolded her because she changed the arrangement of the brushes. False. Number 3, what does it mean by take over? A, to explain something. B, to unleash anger on someone or something other than the one that caused it. C, to control someone. The correct answer is C, to control someone. Number 4, fill in the blank. Mrs. Jessica blank herself to reconcile Alice and Mr. Alex. A, took it over. B, took it upon. C, took it aside. The correct answer is B, took it upon.
I think that's a wrap-up for today's video. What do you think about this video? Did you find it helpful for your English? What topic do you guys want to learn in the next videos? Let me know in the comment section below. And now, goodbye and see you in the next videos.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.